The hip-hop music mogul Sean Diddy Combs had a status hearing today. Combs, who's charged with sex trafficking and racketeering, has pleaded not guilty. The judge set May 5th as the day the trial will start. The prosecution says it'll take 3 weeks to lay out their case, while Diddy's attorneys are planning a week-long defense. And unless his request for bail is eventually granted, Diddy will spend the next 207 days leading up to the trial in jail. National political correspondent Alex Miller live in New York. Alex, what happened in court today?
Well, the judge had to settle a handful of things, including what you just mentioned. When is this trial date going to be? May 5th is the date that they decided on. Diddy's lawyers had been asking for April or May, so it seems as though they got what they were looking for. They said they wanted a speedy trial for their client, but the judge also had to settle a couple of disputes. Most importantly, that video that we have all seen now at this point of Diddy kicking and punching Cassie in a hotel room all of those years ago, his ex-girlfriend Cassie. The prosecutors say, the defense rather says that the prosecutors leaked this, and the defense says that the defense says that the prosecutors leaked it, and the prosecutors rather say that the defense is saying this so that it cannot be used in court. This is the video really at the center of this. His lawyers say that the fact that this was aired has led to prejudicial publicity. The judge says that he is going to restrict what both sides can say publicly about this case. The other issue that they had to deal with was just how much information has been seized from Diddy. They collected 96 electronic devices when they served that search warrant at multiple locations in his Miami home, his LA home, and then another home in Florida. They also seized another 4 devices when they went to arrest Diddy. 8 of those devices had 90 terabytes of information. That is a lot of information. And the prosecution says that they've had trouble downloading all of it. It's taking much longer than they expected. So they say that they're going to start presenting that discovery in the next 30 days, giving that over to the defense, but that there is just so much information, Carolyn, that this is going to continue into December. Now, at the trial today, or at the hearing today, rather, Diddy was there dressed in a tan jumpsuit. His family was there. He hugged his lawyers. He blew kisses, according to reports, at his family members. They blew him right back at him. This is the first time, the most recent time they've seen him in this courtroom since his bail request was denied.
So what happens next, Alex?
Well, there are a couple of things that we should be paying attention to. First off, the prosecutors say this might not be the extent of the charges that we see. They made it very clear that there is a possibility that when they go through all of this information, that we could see more charges against Diddy coming down the pike. The other thing is there's another court date set for December. That may or may not be needed. And then one other thing, guys, he is still trying to get out on bail. He's appealing that. He just appealed it on Tuesday. We still don't know whether or not he's going to get that.
National political correspondent Alex Miller reporting. Alex, thank you.